This video got 24 million views. And this one got 24 million as well. This one got 20 million. And this one got 19 million. And as you can see, all of these videos are getting millions of views. And if we scroll up, we'll notice that this channel has 360,000 subscribers from just 86 videos. And if we check this channel's estimated earnings on Social Blade, we'll find that it's making up to $5,300. Before we start the tutorial, let's take a look at this video that I created using the exact same method I'm going to show you today.
It's all right, little guy.
As you just saw,
I've got you
the
now.
video looks absolutely amazing and incredibly engaging. It's the kind of video that people simply can't scroll past. And that's exactly why these videos can generate huge numbers. So, let's get started. I've created a custom master prompt specifically for making videos like these. If you want it, hit the like button and type prompt in the comments. Now, I'm going to copy the prompt, then head over to ChatGPT, paste it in, and click send. We'll wait for a moment, and ChatGPT will generate 10 really good and unique ideas that will make the whole process much easier for us. And there we go. It has finished generating the ideas. Let's take a look at them. And as you can see, they're all really interesting ideas. We'll choose one of them, type the idea number, and click send. And ChatGPT will take care of everything for us. Now, to create the video, we're going to copy the image prompt. Then we'll go to the Google Flow website. We'll click New Project, then click here and choose Image 9:16 Nano Banana 2 X1. Then we'll paste the prompt and click Send. Once the image finishes generating, we'll go back to ChatGPT and copy the Video 1 prompt. Then we'll return to Flow, click here, and choose Video, Frames, 9:16, OmniFlash, 10 seconds, X1. Next, we'll click on the image, choose Animate, paste the prompt, and click Send. Once the video is finished, we'll go to the last frame of the video and click Save Frame. This will allow us to create the image for the next video. Then we'll go back to ChatGPT and copy the Video 2 prompt. After that, we'll return to Flow, click on the image, choose Animate, paste the prompt, and click Send. And then, we simply wait until it finishes. You can repeat these exact same steps for the rest of the scenes. And that's it. We've reached the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.